Hi guys, my name is Amber and I want to thank you for taking the time to put in your email in the previous page. I know it might seem like a very small step, but it's more than what most people do, and it's putting you one step closer to your freedom and your goals. If you're somebody like me, you're probably trying to make money online. Maybe you just hate your job or you want to make more money. Or maybe simply you want to have more control of your time and don't want to be stuck for the next 40 years in a job. It's like I was afraid of. I want to give you a little bit of a background about myself. When I first graduated high school, I decided to go the traditional school route that I eventually dropped out of and landed myself a 4 p.m. to 12 a.m. instead of the traditional 9 to 5. I was working at a fast food restaurant where I would often walk home in the cold or in the super hot weather, and I would get home around 1 a.m. I could not take the buses because they weren't running at that time, and I could not afford a U-Ride or a taxi, let alone a personal vehicle. In general, I wasn't making enough money to pay for my bills or to simply provide for myself. I was frustrated with my financial situation, and I was wondering, how on earth am I going to work 40 hours a week for the next 40 years to come? I came across this method that was making people thousands of dollars per month with very little work, and I was so skeptical at first, but it took me months to finally decide to jump in. But once I did jump in, I never looked back. This method is called high ticket affiliate marketing. It has allowed me to live the life I want, go on trips that I never thought I'd have, and spend time with whom I want. My schedule is in my control now. This is not only working for me. I'm no special case. No matter what your reasons are, whether you're a single mom or a student in debt, this is working for lots of beginners, and people without any special skill sets are finding success every single day. Imagine what your life would be like if you had the freedom to work from anywhere and never have to worry about money again. On the next page, you're going to watch a video from a guy named Dave, who is an 8-figure affiliate marketer and is the creator of the 15-day business challenge, which is the same one I took when I first started. And it's also what changed the course of my life forever. This will guide you step by step. If you want to watch the video, click the button below. I cannot wait to see you on the inside. And also, don't forget to watch out for my emails in your inbox. Make sure to check your promotion in your spam folders, and I'll be sharing a little bit more about my story and how this program changed my life. All right, bye guys.